Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AJ Bell Investcentre Platform Review My Usage Experience. AJ Bell Investcentre Platform Review My Usage Experience offers a self-directed investment platform for managing your personal investments. Its main purpose is to provide users with tools to buy and sell stocks, shares, and other financial products. The target audience is likely individuals with some investment experience who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their portfolio. Key features likely include online trading, portfolio tracking, and research tools. Their website provides details on specific features and offerings. AJ Bell Investcentre's positioning focuses on providing a user-friendly platform with a wide range of investment options. They emphasize ease of use and transparency. Their website highlights competitive pricing, though specific details vary depending on the investment types. The platform appears to use standard online brokerage technology. Availability is straightforward, you can access it via their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AJ Bell Investcentre. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was clear and concise, guiding me through the account setup and security measures efficiently. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found the dashboard easy to understand, with clear displays of my portfolio's performance and holdings. I particularly like the ability to easily filter and sort my investments, making it simple to track my progress. I used the platform to buy some shares in a company I'd been researching, and the transaction was quick and straightforward. The platform performed reliably throughout my usage. I never experienced any significant delays or glitches. I had a quick question about tax implications on a particular investment, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a perfectly acceptable response time. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the detailed transaction history. One minor drawback was the limited mobile app functionality. I found myself using the desktop site more often. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced charting options, but once I figured them out they were really useful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with AJ Bell Investcentre. It generally met my needs, and I feel confident using it to manage my investments. That's my overview of AJ Bell Investcentre Platform Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.